What's up guys, and welcome to the 54th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about token concatenation operator. So we're using double hashtags. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you go do is go right to the top and type in define and then book chapter verse and parenthesis, we can say B, comma C, comma V, close that off, and then say B again, and then double hashtag C, another double hashtag, and then V, and go to the next line. And in this main program, type in int main, parentheses, next line, curly braces, and say unsigned BCV equals book chapter verse. So I'll just copy this, paste it there, and then we can put in 5, 12, 42. You can put in any number you want, and then we can close that off with the semicolon. And then next line we could say std cout, and then less than bcv, close that off. And this can be compiled, but before we even compile it, let's just run through the program and explain what's actually happening. Because so the double hashtag operator concatenates arguments. The preprocessor takes the argument that match the parameter references on either side of the double hashtag operator. So we can call this a concatenation operator, and turns them into a single token, like the line you're seeing on right at the top of your screen. Okay. You can invoke the macro like we are doing here, and then the macro will concatenate the 3 arguments and expand this into 5, 1. So it'll read, I'll just compile this and show you what it actually reads. So hopefully we should get, there you go, 51,242. That's what we actually get. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.